Location, location, and cuteness. I cannot wait to share this house with you. It is absolutely gorgeous. We're out here in WindMark Beach, and why did I say location? Because we are completely tucked up next to the town center, and this place is owned by a family that has taken impeccable care of this property. And I'm going to point out some things so that there's a lot of D.R. Horton homes in this community, but they're not all made the same, and you're about to see the difference. Look at this gorgeous landscaping, complete drip lines to fuel all of these plants to make them look absolutely gorgeous. They've done things like, look at the accent just on the garage right here. These are things that people don't think about that are going to get layered into this entire house. So I'm so excited to share it with you. Let's come on inside and have a look. Not only do they have great taste in decorating, but I'm going to point out all the things that they've done along the way to make this house special. As you come in, this is what they call the Rhett floor plan. Which I love about this floor plan is you get these really nice wide hallways, and it goes all the way through the house where you're greeted with a whole set of windows, and so it just floods light right into the house. On this end of the house, you have two guest suites. They're using this guest room as an alternate family room, but this can be an office, a guest room, because you've got a lot of rooms here. You get your guest bath here. They added in the glass shower doors, which really completes the whole look at this bathroom, along with another guest room. Look how cute. They have a closet here for storage. Right here in the hallway. This is your entrance to your garage, which we'll pick up on that later. But you have another guest bedroom right back here. The laundry room is right off at the garage, super convenient, washer dryer. I think what's important to tell you about this house is that he is a master electrician, the owner of this house. So what do you think he's done? He's come in and made everything fabulous when it comes to electrical wiring. Not only did he hardwire the under cabinet lights that you see here, there's dimmers on everything. There's beautiful accent lighting throughout the whole house that has been added. I mean, I love this over the bar lighting that they added in here. They came in with some custom colors, hired one of our best painters in the whole area to give it this accent color. They added in the slow close drawers. They just made it special. Look at this backsplash. It is so fun. Not only did they put the backsplash over here, they put it over here on the breakfast bar and tucked it all the way around the fridge. So it is finished all the way around. I love that. You've got a pantry right here, which is really useful in these, look how pretty. Spotless, she needs to come do mine. Look at the accent lining over the artwork that's just right here on this whole wall. That is super cool. I think one of the things that you don't see in this neighborhood on this side, so close to the town center, is that they've added in gas. Gas runs right to the end of the street. It doesn't run any further into the neighborhood, so it's super special to have gas in this area. So not only do they have a gas stove oven combination here, but they also have it running outside. So you've got a gas Renai, so they have the on-demand. They do not have the hot water heater that many of them have. They have the gas on-demand Renai. So I want to make sure that I point that out. I think that we're going to head to the master, and then I'm going to take you outside and show you what the outdoor space looks like, because, you know, when you're out here, it's all about outdoor living. And they are in a location here, I'm going to show you when we're outside, that they don't get the afternoon sun. So you get to truly enjoy the backyard. And I think that that's something to point out. Look at the size of this living room. You get the tray ceilings in here, double stacked tray ceilings with the crown molding. Tons of room in here. It's so spacious, and it's also welcoming. The primary bedroom is right here. You've got a large king-size bed. There's room to put dressers. I mean, you have a lot of room in these. And again, you get the accent tray ceiling in here. It makes it feel nice and open with a big double window. They don't have anybody right behind them, so the windows all lead out to a common area, which is kind of pretty. You get a soaking tub. You get a stand-up shower, double vanity. And the closet, we're going to spin around and show you the closet because it is large. You've got a water closet right here. Let's go out and check out the outside because it is beautiful. They've done a whole pavered patio out back. They have a whole barbecue station. I mean, when you've got friends and you want to enjoy hanging out in the backyard, just look at this. They made it so cute. This is their barbecue station area where they've got contiguous gas running to that. They have a whole gathering area with these Adirondack chairs. They had all of this pavered, so this was all added extra. You've got gutters all the way down the back. But, you know, because they're a little bit extra and took special care of this property, you can see that they ran the gutters underneath to the drainage area. So they're not just pouring onto your patio. These are the special details that are all throughout this house that I think is making it just incredible. This common area right here really adds a lot of extra privacy that a lot of the lots don't have. And these are oversized lots in this section. And of course you saw we're on a cul-de-sac street, so I'll show you that at the end. So if you have little ones and you want to be able to have them ride around on their bicycle and you don't want to worry about any through traffic, it's a rare occasion to be able to get one of these streets with a cul-de-sac on it. And you can see the town center is right here behind us. Let's go back in and show you the garage, because the garage has a lot of space. Now, he is tinkering with all kinds of things and cool old cars and all of that. So if you don't think you don't have room for all that, you're about to find out that you do. Before I go, they did add a little bit of a privacy area to their barbecue station here, and I just want to take you around the side here and show you the landscaping as we move around the side of the yard, and I'll meet you up front and I will open the garage. I can't wait to show you all the fun things in this garage. Not only did they add the fishing pole hangers to the back side of the garage, this is a hot tip that you're going to want to use. And they have all of these built-ins for all of the storage for all the things that he does in the garage. And sometimes you like woodworking or whatever, and they're going to leave this fridge out here. So you've got a beverage fridge right out here. You've got power that has been run to all of this. You've got extra lighting that was added up here at the top. And they changed out the garage door opener, and they put in one that is run by, it's run by an app. It's a smart garage door opener. It's made by LiftMaster, so that's also an extra. Before I tell you how special it is to be on the cul-de-sac, let me show you the other side of the house, because these are some more details that I want to make sure that you're aware of. Not only do they have the drip lines that run for all of the plants that are in the front of the yard and the side of the yard, but they have a shallow well that fuels all of this, so you don't have to pay sewer charges. You've got irrigation throughout the yard. They've got these raised hose bib holders on several sides of the house that they've built. I mean, I'm talking all the details. Not only do I not have a house right behind me because of all the common area, look how this is set back. This is all common area that will never be built on here. You can see the sunset right here as it's setting over the water. It's a really nice setting, and you just don't really have hardly anybody next to you. And the neighbors, they are also gardeners. You can see that everybody's been influenced by the flowers. So you've got a lot to enjoy here. So if you want to live the beach life, this is one that you're going to want to check out. Share this with someone that you know. Tell them Kay sent you, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.